Midwest Fireplace is a locally family-owned business that's been in business since 1988. We offer over 50 burning displays, both wood and gas, for indoor and outdoor applications. One of the unique items that we offer here at Midwest Fireplace is our customized Da Vinci gas linear fireplaces made by Travis Industries, the largest privately held fireplace manufacturer in the United States. They can come up to 21 feet long, up to 58 inches tall. The glass is cool touch, so a child or an adult could touch this and not get burned. Also, multiple LED colored lighting. We do also offer fire pits where the homeowner may want to, on their outdoor living space, be able to enjoy a fire, whether it be wood burning or gas. We also offer drop-in built-in gas grills. And all of our installers and our service technicians are NFI certified from the National Fireplace Institute. All we know is fireplaces, so if people come in with questions, specific questions pertaining to fireplaces, they're going to be able to get an answer first time out and get it from an employee or an individual that's been in this business a long time and knows anything and everything about fireplaces.